Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where you can join us in creating a vintage buttercream wedding cake. I'm your host Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Whether you're new to caking or have been in business for a while, we're here to share all our insider tips to make your caking journey that little bit easier. We work with buttercream, ganache and fondant, so we've got you covered. Now before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along with us. Today we are making a single tier wedding cake for an intimate wedding celebration. We start by leveling our cakes using our agbe. Our standard cake layers are generally 1.5 inches high and have 3 cake layers for each cake. If you would like to purchase an agbe, which is definitely one of our favourite tools ever, make sure to use the code Enchanted10 at checkout at Cakers Warehouse and you can save 10% on your purchases. Now we layer our cakes with ganache. Today we're using our signature white chocolate ganache because it always sets up beautifully, tastes delicious and is structurally stable. If you'd like to purchase our complete guide for making this, we'll pop the link below for you. Once we've layered the cake with ganache and added a crumb coat, we chill the cake and then add a buttercream layer. Working with our signature buttercream, we add a substantial layer of buttercream to the top of the cake and smooth it over, and then cover the sides. Using our metal scraper, we scrape off the excess buttercream, making sure to clean our scraper between uses. We keep adding more buttercream to fill in any gaps and then scrape away the excess. Make sure to add only small amounts of buttercream at a time using your palette knife to create the textured finish and scrape away minimal buttercream. So this way you're left with a slightly textured finish and not a completely smooth finish. We are leaving the textured top edge as a feature for this cake. And then we go ahead and add the cake topper and the prepped florals onto the cake. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.